Right, well, we are at the Castle Howard Classic Car Show today. Just got back off holiday, in fact. We've been to France, you see, so you probably have watched the update video, you would have known. But yeah, I didn't bring my own car in today because it just needed a bit too much work. It needed a really good clean after 2 weeks of them sitting around doing nothing, collecting dust. But yeah, anyway, I didn't have enough time to get the tickets anyway, so never mind. So starting off, I've got a lovely a Jaguar here. It's very nice. I believe this is the 1990s area, so it's all categorised and stuff today. A lovely little Porsche there. It's very nice. I do have my microphone today because it might be a bit windy actually, but hey, better safe than sorry. I've got another lovely Porsche here. Not really keen on Porsches, but there we go. I've got a nice Mazda though here. It's very nice. There we go. Not sure what this is. I've never ever seen one of these. Apparently it's a Marcus or something. Lovely interior. Lovely paintwork as well. The colours are magnificent on this. And body lines are brilliant on that. We've got another Jaguar here. Try not to fall into any holes in the grass. Try not knocking into people. We've got a lovely Aston Martin here as well. It's very nice. I think these are more of the exotic side of the car show. Up there's a bit more stuff that I kind of like. BMW. Lovely TVR here. Another Porsche there. Another TVR. These sound mint as well, these TVRs. Really good. Another TVR there. Ford RS. Oh, I believe it is anyway. Very nice. Yes. Mercedes. I like these. It's also a cabriolet, which makes it even better. Very nice. We have here an Aston Martin. Not sure which one that is actually, so I do apologise. Another Porsche Boxster. Let's have a look at which one this is again. That's a DB5. That's it, yeah. DB5. Very nice. Jaguar. Oh, MGTF. There we go. That's what we like to see. Little another Mercedes there. Also next to a BMW. Then we've got a Lancia here. This is very cool. I like this. Lovely red interior as well on that. Probably can't really see much in the reflection, but there we go. It's very nice. Mgb Gt here. These are always nice. I do like these. Sound really good as well. I'm not sure what this is. It's let's have a look. Oh, it's a Toyota. Toyota Crown Estate Athlete. I've actually never ever seen one of these in my life. It's very interesting. Another TVR there. Very nice interior, of course, on TVRs. I've got a Caterham 7 here. Caterham 7s do have the K series in, I believe, as well. So, bit of Rover power there. A Unos Roadster. Very cool. I've got a Mazda Mx-5 here. There's quite a few Mazdas here. There's another Mazda there. There's a Honda S2000. Very cool. Another Mgb Gt. Very cool. And there's another one of these Marcuses here in the same colour. I wonder if it came together. But the interior is lovely on that. And also the engine bay, look at that. Lovely stuff. Another Honda there. Integra Type R, very nice. It's quite busy around here, but we'll try and get through them. Got no idea what this is. This is kind of the stuff that I don't really aren't really into, but we'll document it anyway. It's very nice anyway, that. Another Aston Martin here, very nice indeed. We've got a BMW there, another TVR. Subaru Impreza Estate, very nice. And we've got another S2000 Honda. We've got some more TVRs here. And we've got a Lotus on the end. Very cool, do like the Lotuses. Lotus Esprit, that's it. Yeah, very nice. There's quite a lot here today, so I don't know if we'll be doing 2 parts, but we'll see how it goes anyway. I'm trying to keep my voice low because talking to a camera is a bit odd, but hey, to be fair, I'm not really too fussed. I shouldn't be anyway. We've got a lovely late reg Mini there, 1999, so it's on the cusp of when BMW brought out their Mini. Golf Gti there, very nice. Got a lovely Range Rover there. Sierra, Iris Cosworth. I believe this is, yeah, mate. Oh yeah, look at that. That's bloody lovely, that. Very nice. I'm not really much of a Ford fan, however, seeing them is still nice. And we've got another Sierra there. Very cool. A Nova SR. Look at that, it's got all the details as well. The dealer sticker, it came from Cowie's of Redcar. All the mud flaps there, very cool with the GM and the Vauxhall Opel sort of stuff. Lovely interior as well, you can probably just see. There's a Mini there, yeah. Skyline, very nice. We've got Mitsubishi here. This is interesting. There's quite a lot of there's not a lot of chod here today, I must admit. It's not a lot of chod, but yeah, still very nice car anyway. Toyota there. We've got a Nissan Figaro there. Another Subaru. My brother used to like these when he was younger. Always had them like pictures on the wall of them and stuff. Another Ford Sierra there. Very nice, very cool. Oh, it's a Sapphire as well. Very nice. Mini Cooper S and a Volkswagen Golf Gti Cabriolet. You don't really see many of them, do you? That's very nice. And then we've got another Subaru here, WRX. Subaru Impreza, very nice. And we'll have a long walk down here. We'll probably do it in rows, you see. Try and go through everything we can without my phone dying. And also battery space as well, so there we go. So here we've got another MGR V8. Very cool. I think that's in Nightfire Red, that one. Got a Ford here. Very nice. Lovely stuff. Toyota Supra. It's a lovely interior on that as well. I know, apologies if you can't really see the reflection. Have a look at this engine bay as well. Oh, it's had a Z-Tech put into it as well. Interesting. It's in a Isuzu Piazza, I believe this is. I think I said that right. A Piazza, yes. Oh, it's a turbo as well. Cool. Very cool. I've actually never ever seen one of these in person, so that's nice to see. Oh, look at this. It is a Vauxhall Astra GSI 16 valve from Rydale Garages. That's really cool. Very nice. Got a little Peugeot there, 205 GTI. It's 1.9 as well, that one. It's very nice. We've got another GTI here, Volkswagen GTI. Very cool. Got a Nova GTE. I think I've seen this one before actually. Very nice. We've got another GTE. Astra. Very nice. Escort RS Cosworth. From Evans Halshaw, this one. Very interesting wheels as well. Very nice. Oh, Mark's here. Mark with his Megane. Must be filming somewhere, getting some photos and stuff for his channel. Very nice. I do like that Megane. I saw one in France actually, exactly the same, but it was, I believe, just a facelift of that one. So it didn't have the black tail lights and stuff on it. But yeah, got a Ford here. Oh, it's a Porsche as well. Forgot to show that, but yeah, Ford, very nice. Got another Ford. Oh, it's a Rover. It's a V8 as well. Rover 75 V8. Very cool. That's lovely. That you don't really see many V8s. Got a Metro here. It's been slightly souped up. Mini Metro, yeah. Very cool, otherwise different, isn't it? Got another Mini there, it's very nice. I love the door cards on that as well. Lovely fabrics and stuff. So it's a Mini 35 edition. Very cool. Another Subaru there, very nice. Another Peugeot 205 here. Saw loads of these in France, but they're very cool. 1.9 GTI, lovely stuff. In fact, I actually found a die-cast model at the campsite, so I thought, you know what, I'll get that. Another Jaguar there, very nice. I think we've been down this ramp, haven't we? Yeah, we're just looking. Oh no, we haven't. No, I'm getting confused with the other Range Rover. Yeah, there's a Range Rover there, very nice. What is this? Oh, it's an MR2, of course. Yeah, Toyota MR2. What am I on about? For some reason I was thinking it was a bloody Mazda at first. Rover 800. Lovely. I believe this is a Sterling. I think I've seen this before at the other car shows. It's a lovely condition. I've got another Volkswagen Golf Gti here. Very cool. I'm not sure what this is. Is it Toyota? Oh, Toyota Starlet. That's it. Toyota Starlet. So I'll have its badges off it. Mini Cooper. Lovely stuff. Got a nice Jaguar here. XJ Sport, this one. It's a V8. Lovely stuff. Some sort of Renault. What is this? This is interesting. It's a Renault Avantime. I've never ever seen one of these. Them taillights are really odd. Look at that. Very cool. Ford Escort. Very nice. And then we've got another Volkswagen van here. I actually saw loads of these in France. There was so many of these. Just old campers just driving around because people just use them for stuff, you know. We're a lot less prone to throw stuff away over there. Climate and everything else helps as well. Got a lovely Ford Orion here in this gold colour. That's absolutely lovely. Two-tone. I do like cars when they've got that two-tone styling to them. Hence why I did prefer the earlier Rover R8s, but there we go. I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's an amphi. Oh, so it actually goes in the water. I've never ever seen that. That's really interesting. I'm gonna say it looked kind of like it would go into the water due to the front end of it, and it does. Citroen 2CV. Saw loads of these in France as well. We've got a Nissan S-Cargo here. Very nice. These are very odd, but very cool at the same time. I believe it was the same. They did a lineup of like retro style cars. They had the Figaro, this Escargot and something else. Oh, it's a Nissan Power, something like that. We've got a Sierra XR4i. Lovely stuff. Here we have a Ford Escort again. Lovely stuff. Another Ford there. There's lots of Fords today. Very nice. Golf GTI, not GTI, sorry. I don't think it's a G. Okay. I've seen that many GTIs. I just say it because you know it's on top. It's on top of my tongue, like. But there we go. Yeah. Very nice. Otherwise. But it's a booted. Oh, what is that? Oh, I think it's a Polo, isn't it? Booted Polo saloon. It's very cool. You don't see them whatsoever. Nice old camper van there. Very cool. Got an Audi with some racing livery on there. It's very cool. Nice. Mini. Ford Capri there. It's lovely stuff. Let's get past around all these people. It's very busy today actually. We've got a lovely BMW there. It's very nice. And then next to it, we've got a Mercedes. Got another Lotus here. That's gorgeous. Ooh, an old Range Rover as well. Love the colour on that as well. A lot of Range Rovers had that green army colour, but yeah, that's really nice. That suits it really well. Saab 900. Lovely. There's quite a few around where I'm at. Oh, it's a really early one as well, I believe. 5-speed. It's got a 5-speed badge on it. Yes. We are looking at luxury right there. Jaguar XJ. Very nice. We've got a Mercedes. Bentley. Oh, little Mgb. That's the first one I've seen, I think, today. I can't remember. I've been through that many cars already. Little Mgb, very nice. Another BMW. My mate Dan will be in his element here. Another Marcus on a Q plate, so it's some sort of kit car, I'm guessing then, or something. Triumph Stag, lovely colour. Very nice. Let's go on this row here. We might as well. There's so many cars today as well. I'm going to get sunburn. Little Beetle there. Volkswagen camper. Oh, it's an Alfa Romeo. I'm not sure which one this is, but I'll have to have a look around back. It's Alfa Sud. An Alfa Sud Ti, that's it. There we go. Sorted that mystery out. Very nice. Lovely little Mini there. Very cool. Little MG Midget. Very nice. Very cool. Little, I think this is an Austin 1300. Oh, it's a Van den Pla Princess 1300. Oh, very cool. Little MG Midget again, rubber bumper. So it's a later one. I do like the rubber bumper ones. Actually, I don't mind them. We've got a very low down Mercedes Benz here. That is ridiculously low. Another little midget there. And then we've got a Mgb Roadster. An MG. Oh, I forgot what this one says. I apologise. It's something like a Y or it might be an LT. I don't know. If I do mess up any names, just let me know in the comments. Tell me off. You know, as a lot of you do. Ford Capri there. I think it's a Mark. Is it a Capri? That's it. Once I start. Yeah, never mind. Anyway, let's get on with this. Mgb. And another Mgb there. Oh, there's a Rover here. It's a Rover. This one's a 95, so slightly, it's slightly newer with this one. I'm not sure when the production ended, but it was kind of a late one. If it's 1964, I believe this one. I've got a Triumph GT6, very nice, lovely stuff. We've got a lovely Alfa Romeo there as well, next to another Triumph Stag. Another Mgb here with rubber bumpers on, so it's another late one. Very nice. Triumph. Guessing this is a Dolomite. Yes, it is. Don't know why I'm guessing because I know what it is. Mgb Gt there. Not sure what this is. It's an old camper of some sort. Bloody spider on my hand again. Do that. We've got a Porsche there. Triumph GT6. Lovely stuff. Another Triumph. This is a 2500 as well. See, we've got injection on that. It's lovely. Volkswagen Carmen. Very cool stuff. Don't see many of them. And we've got another GT6 there. Very nice. Mgb Gt, very nice. There's a lot of Mgb Gts here. Well, usually there's a lot anyway at car shows, but you know, there's a lovely yellow one there with the rubber bumpers. Got another chrome bumper one there. Ford Escort Mark 1. Lovely stuff. Is this original? It looks very, very original. No, I mean, so many of them are just get modified and stuff, but I believe that is an original Ford Escort. That's lovely to see. That's really nice to see. We've got another Ford Escort there in a lovely purple colour. We've got a Triumph for Tess. Very nice. We've got a Mini Clubman. Oh, no, is it? No, it's not. It's GT5, sorry. I apologise. Mini GT5. I was looking at the front end, I thought it was a Clubman. Another Mini there, it's been really souped up. Got a TR6 there. Lovely stuff. Ford Zodiac. Very nice. This is interesting. It is a I've got no idea what it is actually. It's a Vauxhall Viva, sorry. Yeah, I think it's a Viva, isn't it? Ugh. I'm not doing too well today. Lovely Porsche there. Another Triumph Stag. That's lovely. That's lovely, that. I think it's a Pontiac, isn't it? Something. I'm not too sure. I'm really terrible with my American cars, actually. Lovely Jaguar there. That's awesome. It's really nice. Got another Ford. Have a look around back of this Ford here. Yeah, Capri GXL, there we go. And we've got another lovely Ford Capri there. There's a few Capris here actually, this is an earlier one. It's lovely.
This represents the early doors, the early beginning of when it was a true.
Not sure what that is. That's brilliant. I'll have a look at that. We've got a TVR, sorry. Don't know why I said Triumph. Nearly. Another Porsche there. Well, lovely BMW, that's awesome. Love the colour on that as well. Amazing colour. Got a Morris Minor there. It's very nice. Another Jaguar. Lovely stuff. Triumph Stag. There we go. Triumph TR6 in a lovely purple colour. That's awesome. Very nice. I think that'll be the end of part 1, to be honest, because we are at like 27 minutes. So what we'll do is we'll cut here, and we'll go along here now. So yeah, I'll see you in part 2. Cheers for watching the first part, and yeah, thank you.